Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to send money from Cash App with credit card. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Cash App application. Then log into your account if necessary. After you log in, tap on your profile at the top right corner. Now scroll a bit down. Then under account and settings section, you will see this option linked banks. Tap on it. Then in this section, you will get link credit card or debit card option. Tap on it. Then you'll have to fill up your credit card information and then tap on link card. Once you do so, go back to your home page and enter the amount that you want to send. After that, tap on pay. Then at the top where it says to, enter the name, cash tag, phone or email of the receiver. You can also enter a note for the receiver by tapping on this box, then enter your note on this box. Then at last, where it says send as, scroll to the right and then you'll see your credit card option. Tap on it. At last, tap on the pay button at the top right corner and then you'll send money through your credit card on Cash App. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.